16th of September 2021. We have Skumriken or Vaahtorinne Skumriken. Touristic stay here in Louhela, Hipsta, Virmäki, Itä-Vantaa, Väster-Vantaa, East-Vantaa, here in the Helsinki region. Louhela, not Finland. No, it's western part. Länsi-Vantaa, Väster-Vantaa, I'm sorry. That was western. It's western. It was built in early 1970 by ValmetSchlieren. It turned 50 years old in the last year, 2020. The serial number is VS 1847. This is actually also the last staircase to be filmed in this residential building. We have all 4 now. It will be inspected in 2023 with 6 floors. And yeah, of course, you can watch all the 3 other staircases here as well.
Yeah.
This is also probably the very last one where they started constructing this in 1969 in Louhela, Hipsta. For ValmetSchlieren, this is the last one.
Yeah.
As the nearby building here is from late 1969, the building 1. That we have filmed all 3 also.
Yeah.
And we are going to take a second ride here.
Yeah.
The capacity is 3 persons, 240 rooms. And then we'll do a second silent ride.
Yeah.
It was very difficult to get inside here. We were waiting here too long.
Yeah. Inspected by Liechtenstein, maintained by Schindler.
Now it's silent ride. First floor. Alright, that's it. Thank you very much for watching.